Have you ever felt that, even when you're trying your best, people just don't take you seriously? That no matter how hard you try, you always end up looking weak or insecure? Today, I'm going to show you 3 mistakes that most guys make and, without realizing it, completely ruin their own image. And the best part, I'll show you exactly how to fix each one of them quickly and directly so you can turn things around today. I'm Noah, and my mission with this channel is to help you evolve. So, if you're ready to stop looking weak and turn things around, subscribe now and hit the like button so you don't miss any content here. Let's get into it. Mistake 1, letting people interrupt you. Nothing shows weakness more than when someone interrupts you and you just let it slide. It might seem like a small thing, but it's a clear message that you're sending without even realizing it. And that message is, I don't care about my opinion. What I was saying isn't important enough for me to stand my ground. Now imagine the impact this has on your confidence and on how others see you. If you can't hold your position in a conversation, how can people trust you with more serious things? It may seem simple, but letting others interrupt you is a sign that you don't value your own voice, and that affects everything around you. You end up looking insecure and indecisive when all you really need to do is hold your ground. Next time someone interrupts you, stay firm and keep speaking. Look them in the eyes and finish what you were saying. Show that you believe in your words and won't let yourself be sidelined. This doesn't mean being rude, it's simply standing your ground. When you do this, you not only show more security to those around you, but you also strengthen your own confidence. Standing firm when you speak completely changes how people see you. And of course, if the conversation is interrupted, bring it back by saying something like, "So, as I was saying," this shows control and self-assurance. Mistake 2, seeking external approval. This is as common as it is harmful. The truth is, seeking approval from others is a way of validating yourself through others' eyes, and it never works. People who live like this end up looking weak because they're always dependent on what others think. And you know what's worse? People can sense this and automatically see you as someone who doesn't respect himself enough to stand by his own decisions. Imagine the impact of making decisions just to please others. This puts you in a position of constant submission. If you can't trust your own choices, who will? To fix this, start making decisions based on what's best for you, not on what others might think. It starts with simple things like the clothes you choose, the opinions you share, and even the actions you take daily. The more you act in ways that make sense to you, the more you create a strong and authentic image. So whenever that doubt creeps in, that thought, will they like me if I do this? Stop. Ask yourself, what do I want from this decision? Does it truly represent who I am? From the moment you stop seeking external approval, you'll automatically appear more secure, more confident, and people will respect you much more because of it. Mistake 3, avoiding confrontation and escaping discomfort. Avoiding confrontation and running from uncomfortable situations is one of the biggest mistakes that makes anyone look weak. And here's the brutal truth. If you're the kind of person who avoids any kind of argument, who's afraid to defend his point of view, or who simply can't handle pressure, you'll never be seen as someone strong. You need to understand that facing confrontations without becoming aggressive is one of the main ways to stand your ground. It's not about fighting with everyone, but not backing down when something bothers you or when you need to take a stand. Every time you accept something that bothers you, just to avoid a potential conflict, you're betraying your own strength. And people notice even if they don't say it out loud. Next time you feel uncomfortable or in a confrontational situation, take a deep breath and see it as an opportunity to grow. Face it head on, without aggression, but with firmness. Remember that a strong guy isn't the one who avoids fights at all costs, but the one who doesn't let pressure shake him. To build this skill, practice in smaller situations. It could be a conversation with a friend, a request you make at work, or even disagreeing with an opinion in a group. You'll notice that over time, facing these uncomfortable moments becomes natural, and your confidence will grow along with this skill. Strong people don't run away, they face it. So here it is, man. 3 mistakes that make you look weak and how to fix them today. If you want to be seen as a confident, secure guy that people respect, you need to address these points. No more letting others interrupt you, no more seeking approval, and, most importantly, No more running from confrontation. Change won't be easy, but remember that every step you take toward these changes will make you evolve so much. Anyone can look strong, but few are willing to go through the discomfort necessary to truly become confident people. And if you've made it this far, it's clear you're one of those who want to make a difference. So don't waste time, start now. If this video made sense to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, share it with that friend who needs to hear this. Now click on the video appearing on the screen where I'll show you how to stop being the nice guy and become confident immediately. I'm Noah, and I'll see you in the next video.